How to earn at least $50 daily as a beginner in content creation and using free apps. I know most of you'll be there, everybody out there is looking for how to earn money on YouTube. But today, did you know that beginner content creators are making at least $50 daily by using free apps? If you didn't know, let me tell you, and let's dive in. That's right, with tools like ChatGPT, VDIQ, CapCut, in short, VVideo, and Canva, without forgetting general craft. You can start your journey as a creator without spending a dime. In fact, thousands of creators are already leveraging these apps to generate consistent income, and you can do it too. I'm using them myself as I make this video. That's why I decided let me share with you. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step strategies to use these apps to create, edit, and promote your content and earn $50 and above daily as a beginner. What are these apps? Sorry for that. What are these steps? How do you do this? I want you to plan your content with ChatGPT. You guys, ChatGPT has become my lover, my friend, and my everything. Content creation starts with great ideas. And where can you get great ideas in this form when you find we have limited time? ChatGPT is your free assistant to help you. Generate viral video topics. It also writes engaging scripts like how I write mine. It crafts my SEO-friendly video titles and description. However, when it makes for me, I go ahead and do edit. I do some other things. I put my own input. Ask ChatGPT, you guys, for ideas like how to make money online with free apps or beginner-friendly tutorial for content creators. When I put that, it gives me too much. Then, for the tip, for the CEOs, I always use keywords like content creation with AL, how to use ChatGPT, YouTube, or script writing with ChatGPT to rank highly in search results. This is the first tip. The second step is research trends with VDIQ. VDIQ, as you can see on the screen, is one of the things that I've used, and if you see, almost 70% of my trending topics of my videos that are giving me money, I always get them with VIDQ. Note that they are from the mass. They give you exactly what you even have in your brain. Before you upload any content, use VIDQ to find trending topics in your niche, to analyze top performing keywords, to get insights on your competition. I'm very sure that most of you know some of these, but you don't share with us. But me, my work is there to share what is working for me, that you can use VIDQ and you hit your $50 per day strategy or challenge. What do I want you to focus on here? I want, when you're using this research trends with VDIQ, I want you to focus on keywords with high search volume and low competition, like how to use free editing apps or best apps for beginner creators and the ones which are friendly. Don't forget to use friendly titles like earn $50 daily with these free content creation apps, VIDQ tutorial, find viral content ideas for beginners. I'm sure I'm going to be bringing for you one of the tutorial about VIDQ, how it has helped me and how you can use it. I want you to go to the third stage. This video is not going to be very long, but it might be already. But let's go to the third stage. It's create stunning videos with CapCut, InShot, and VVideo. These are the apps that every creator can use if you want to start. After VIDQ gives you an idea, after transcripting with Mr. ChatGPT, you can come here and use your phone. Go to CapCut, which is free. Go to InShot, which is free. Go to VVideo, which is free. Yeah, I know you are going to say it is free, but it brings the watermark. Do you know, before I didn't know that you can remove that watermark? Here I am. I will teach you. If you don't know how to use that, to remove that watermark, go to the comment section. I'll do it for you in a tutorial form. So when you're doing this, you can use these apps and do stunning videos. But don't forget to add transition, text effects, and filters. Most people, you always ask me, what do you use, Christine? Some people cannot get what we get. Edit for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok formats. Include background music and voiceovers if you can. However, it's not a must. It depends on what you want. Now, use CapCut for advanced editing. That is, if you want to resize and polish your video, you can go for CapCut, and you can also go for Pro, or you can go for Premium. It depends on what you want. Let's go to the fourth step. The first step towards earning $50 per day, it is to design eye-catching thumbnails with Canva. Canva has been my best friend. I'm telling you, on earning money. Even when I get money, I have to make sure that I give Canva some money to make sure that I appreciate it. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers notice. Use Canva to create attention-grabbing designs. However, you need to always know, I'm telling you, you need to always know that you have to feed in what is good. If you don't feed in what is not good, Canva is a tool. It might not tell you that this is not good, but VIDQ will tell you, no, what you uploaded from Canva is not good. So choose from free YouTube thumbnails templates, add bold text and vibrant colors to stand out, include your face or key visuals for better click-through rates. You guys optimize your titles with words. Right click worthy thumbnails. I always do that. You guys do that. A thumbnail for this video could say earn $50 daily with these apps. And this is what I've put. And it is going to say, wait, I'll give you the results. The fifth step, of which I know you are going to love so much, if you didn't know it, it's about using or generate unique AL visual with GeneCraft. Do you know GeneCraft app? If you didn't know, you can check on our you can even check it on our screen. That is the one. I've used it for more than 6 months. This one, it generates all-powered app for creating stunning visuals and artwork. This one, most of the time I use it. If you want to use, like for example, if I go to a VIDQ and I do the transcript there, do you know that VIDQ always gives even the voiceovers? After the voiceover, it gives us how you can create a video from there. Then from there, if you don't want to put your face, you can come to this GeneCraft and you generate the visuals that you're going to use in your video without even putting your face. So highlight all in your titles if you want, also even in description if you want, to make sure that you get noticed by CEOs. So all these apps, they have two sides. They have the free ones and they have also premium. But here we are talking about the beginners, whereby I don't want you to disturb yourself and go to pay money. Now the step 6, for you to earn $50 with these apps is to monetize your contents across the platforms. How do you monetize it? Now you have done all this, has done this for you. What you do, you go to YouTube, you go to Instagram, you go to TikTok, you go to everywhere and upload your videos. When you upload there, you can even go to and upload your clips. You can also use affiliate marketing on attached to them and also do this. Let's go to the seventh step. Promote your content like a pro. When I talk about promoting like a pro, you can publish your content by using social media platforms to drive traffic. However, you need to promote it in a very good and wise way for you not to get they call it external traffic, especially when it is YouTube. Share your videos on Facebook groups or forums, and use also minimal, great searchable hashtags. Try to engage with your audience. These are the things I tell you. Last but not least, I told you I'll be giving you something like 10 tips, but let me give you up to 8. Track your progress and improve. How do you track your progress? You people, we go back and use VIDQ. I always use VIDQ. That helps me to track, to analyze my video performance. Even it gives me the scores and even everything. Then I use Canva Insights to show how well your designs are engaging viewers. I really love that. You guys, I think with this, if you really follow this video up to the end, you can make $50 using these apps. And these apps, you can start today. Start earning today. Use free apps there like ChatGPT, VidIQ, CapCut, InShot, Vivid Video, Canva, and GeneCraft.